Mine is a neon green. It's like a neon green. This is the color. It's a neon green. No, I mean a pastel, not a neon. Okay. They aren't really changing the same color as the powder, sadly. Well. Okay, right. Now it's time we've all been waiting for, to see if they glow in the dark. The green is much more darker than the yellow. I made the yellow slime work really big because yellow usually doesn't really show. So ready? When I clap my hands, the lights are going to be switched off. Ready, steady. Whoa, look at them. They're glowing. Look, can you see? That is amazing. I never made glow in the dark slime before. Whoa, it looks amazing, guys. Look, they're glowing. The purple one isn't too much, but it still is. The blue is really glowing. The yellow is like, it's so cool, guys. Look, these are glowing. Okay, I'm gonna get my torch. Wait, which way around is it? Okay, guys. Whoa, they have sparkles. Whoa, they're actually metallic. This looks so cool, guys, doesn't it? Okay. Put that on. Look at it. It's so cool, isn't it? This looks amazing. It's got so much glitter in it. And I didn't even add any glitter. Come on, look. Oh my gosh. Ah, it's so cool. I love it. It looks pink. I was gonna do pink, but I didn't. Whoa, the blue looks amazing. It looks like Cinderella's dress. In the yellow, it is so lemony. Oh, can you see? Okay, now I'm gonna switch the lights back on. Whoa. So cool. Okay, ready? When I clap my hands, they're all gonna be back off. Let's switch this up. Ready, steady. Whoa! Did you see how cool they were? That was amazing. I didn't know these can do that. Okay, now is a really exciting time. We are gonna put these all together. Right, now I'm gonna roll them up. Right, ready? Okay, I'm gonna line them all up together. Ready? Okay, right, I'm just so excited. Okay, blue and purple are together. Blue, purple, and green are together. I need the yellow one. Blue, purple, green, and yellow are all together. Now let's swirl. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. Whoa. Look how pretty they are. That is amazing, guys. Oh. And I'm gonna switch the lights back on. I just love seeing them glow. It's gonna look so cool together. Ready? Steady. Don't mix them together. Look at that! Oh, it just takes some seconds. Right, now I'm gonna clap again and switch the lights off again. Ready? Whoa, guys! Okay, I'm gonna get this. Okay, guys, look at it. It is so pretty. Look at it, guys. It is amazing. Okay, love how it swirls. I'm gonna show everyone this. I am such a good slime master. It looks like a galaxy. This looks way better. This is amazing. Okay guys, I'm gonna switch the lights back on and do the outro. So yeah. Ready? Whoa, did you guys see it? It was amazing. Okay, right guys, so now let's do the outro. It actually does. It still has glitter if you do that. That just gave me an idea. Let's add glitter to it. Okay, I might add some of this stuff. Some of these stars. Some of these are falling out. Okay, and also the beads that fell off at the beginning. Do you remember? Okay, watch the video again if you don't. Okay, this is a present for you guys to remind you of my channel. Just, you have to screenshot it. Wait, I'll show it to you guys and you can screenshot it. It's so pretty. Okay, everyone's gonna watch this. Oh my gosh. It is so nice. I think you guys will agree. Right. Wait, this is so pretty. It is so pretty! Okay, right. That is so pretty. Okay, now let's add this rainbow unit. Okay guys, this is amazing. Look at my creation. Even in the back it looks amazing. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, look at it. It looks so cool. It looks so cool, doesn't it? It's got tons of glitter. Can you see it? And I've even put a charm on it. It's also glow in the dark. Should we try it out? Yeah, sure. Ready? Whoa. Doesn't it look so epic? The blue and the purple and the green and the yellow looks so cool, doesn't it? Now, I'm gonna show you it. Like, look how pretty it is. It is so glowing. It's like a butter slime. Whoa. The blue glitter looks so nice on it. I don't want to ruin the swirl. It looks so pretty. We can make a heart with it. You can make any shape with it. And I got this for, I got the glow in the dark set for Christmas. You guys should get it. It's very cute and fun to play with. I don't want to mix all the colours in, but I'll show you. Even the texture is nice. It made it much drier and not too wet. Look at it. It looks so marble. You can even see glitter in it, even though there's no glitter except for blue glitter. You can't really see that very well though. This comes with a light and it makes it look like this. Can you see all the purple? There's a lot of yellow stuff. I added a lot of yellow glow in the dark. I even have some powder on it, if you can see it. So cute, isn't it? I wish you guys could play with it. If feels amazing. I hope you guys like it. I love it so much. Whoa. Look, it's the unicorn. Whoa. Look at it. Now it doesn't have the light showing on it. Now it does. It looks so cool. There's mostly yellow stuff, but if you look deep, there's other stuff. It kind of activates it. Can you see it's not so glow in the dark? And now it's really glowing. Look, it kind of activates. Just like activate on slime. It gets even brighter. Wow. It looks kind of green. Can you see? It's not too activated. Bright. And then nearly sparkly. It looks so cool. It's really stretchy because it's a butter slime. It's so glow in the dark and I love it. Look how pretty that swirl is. You can still see the colour. It kind of looks like a heart now. Not too activated, bright, then sparkly. It kind of looks green. Wow. So cool. Look, it's not too bright on this side. Then when you put the light on, you have to put a lot. And then take it away and it's so sparkly and cool. So stretchy and fun to play with. Now let's make it swirl. It kind of looks like a unicorn horn. It is so cool. It's an S for Sienna. Now let's put the light on and see what happens. Whoa, it looks even better. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. There's bright and there's not bright. It's so glowy when you put the light on it. Slime is so fun to play with, especially this one. Wow, look at it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Whoa, it looks so cool. Do you think so? I love playing with it. Now you can see it's not too glowy. Let's do it again. Put the light on. Take it off and it looks so good. I don't know how it does it. Whoa. Oops, some of the beads fell out. It's just so beautiful. Even though I didn't add any glitter to it, it looks amazing. It looks like there's glitter. Do you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of green apples with glitter. It's so pretty. The other side is darker. Wow, you can make a swirl. And that's a bead again. It looks so cool. Would you guys like this slime? Let me know. Whoa. I bet it's fancy. Whoa. Whoa. Look how It's not sticky at all. Whoa, look at that. I can't believe I'm playing with this right now. And this is definitely real life. Whoa. I never knew this could happen. It kind of looks like a rose. Okay. Oh, look. I've got some on my fingertips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was just showing you this slime that I made. And see you guys next time. Bye!